Hey, what is going on, guys? So let me introduce you to the world's smallest, thinnest wireless Qi charger. It is right here. It is by ZIISTLE. Now the cool thing about this one here, not only is it small and super thin, but it basically replaces all of these, as well as these ones where you can put your phone at like a 60-degree tilt. So let me show you how this works here in 1 second, but first let me just give you a comparison to how thin this is. I have a lot of other wireless Qi chargers. You can see how small this is. I mean, look at this. And let me show you the width. Let me go ahead and put this to the side here, and we can see how thin this is compared to all the other ones that I have here. So this is the wireless Qi pad. You can buy this separately, or you can buy the kit with this as well. I would personally recommend just buy the entire kit, because using this you can do all of this plus more, and I'll show you that in 1 second. First thing is, let me show you the length of the cable here. So basically from the top of here to about here is about 40 inches, so just over 3 feet. And of course I can use this plane just like this. Let me go ahead and plug this in. Now I just grab any phone that has wireless charging capabilities, like this is a iPhone 8 here. Let's pop that on there just like that, and you can see it's charging. How about a Samsung Galaxy S8? Now you have tons of sweet spots on here, okay? I mean, so obviously you can use this by itself too, but like I said, I would recommend purchasing this as well. Just go ahead and buy the entire kit, because take a look at what this can do. Let me just go ahead and open this up and let me show you how this works here. This kind of reminds me of a wallet here, but basically you can see, okay, first of all, looking at here, you can see you have these like rubber mounts here. If you guys want to go ahead and just put it on your desk plane so it doesn't basically scratch your desk or slide around too much. Now on the top of here, we do have some Velcro on here, and you can basically slap that anywhere across here, so I can just go just like that. So let me show you the different positions here. Again, you can see that Velcro right here. We can just pretty much put it anywhere we want right here. I'll just put it right here, and then let me go ahead and fold this up just like this. And now there's a magnet that holds this down as well, as you can see here. And now we have it at like a nice tilt here. Let me go ahead and grab a iPhone 8 here, pop that on just like that. We can see it's charging. How about this? Why don't we go ahead and try a case here? Here's a standard TPU case here I have on my iPhone X. You can see the rubber case here. Let me go ahead and pop the case back on here. Put that down just like that. Even with the case on, you can see it charging. Now we can also put this in horizontal mode. Now another cool thing is while it's charging, we can go ahead and use our phone. We can use FaceTime. We can watch YouTube videos. We can watch Netflix movies, all while it is charging. Now this is about a 60-degree tilt here. And also we can even put this a little bit lower, make it about 15-degree tilt. And how we do that is just basically just fold it like that, move this down, and there's a magnet that basically holds this back part as well. This is about a 15-degree tilt here. Simply place that on there. I'll get my iPhone X with the case here, pop that on there, and we can see that it's charging. Well, there you guys go. This is definitely one of my coolest wireless charging Qi pads that I have. Let me go ahead and put my biggest phone on here. The biggest phone I have with wireless charging capabilities is my Samsung Galaxy Note 8. And just to give you an idea of what it looks like with a big phone on here. And here's my Note 8 here. And because this is a bigger phone, you can see a size difference between the iPhone 8 versus my Note 8. The Qi receiver is a little bit higher on this phone, so I basically had to just go ahead and pull this Velcro off and just put it higher up here, just like that. And I just grab my Note 8, put it on just like this. Now they also provide you with this little magnet strap here, basically just to keep the wire in place if you wanted to do that. This isn't really a big deal for me, but basically you can just go ahead and put the cable like down here if you wish. Then we can just go ahead and like clamp it like that, and it just makes it a little bit nicer, I guess. And that's pretty much it. Guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.